Hey, welcome back. Had to redo the video because I sneezed right in the middle of it and a big truck went past. Hope you're going well. Thanks for subscribing if you have. Yeah, always good to have other fencers, other builders and people that want to build houses and looking for ideas for fencing. This one in particular is Laminata. It's a New Zealand based product. It's a cross laminated board, treated board. This is the board here. It's actually a double. It's a double board. So you can see this is actually 7 boards, but it looks like it's 14 boards. But it's a double board with a tongue and groove that actually slots inside. I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see the tongue on the top. That's the tongue, and that's the groove. So it is a tongue and groove board, and it's actually designed to be installed. It can be installed vertically or horizontally. See how it's got a groove on the side. So they've really thought about how to do this. It's a modular system, which most fencing systems are. These are 275 boards. They're 1.8 wide, and I think it's 18-20 centers. Don't quote me on that. Check the website. But these boards are put in with a block at the top, concreted in, and then the boards are actually just slotted down inside the top, and then you just use these bugles, so 75mm bugles, to screw it off on both sides. When you screw it off, you just alternate the screwing on the other side. So on the other side you'll see that the screw actually starts on the second board, not the first, so it's alternating. But yeah, so you can do up to whatever height you want. It can be quite a high fence. This one is around about 1970, round on that corner there, and you can see we've just kept it nice and flat on top, but you can step it. But if you do step it, you've got to step it a variation of half board, so you'd have to step it in line with the width of that, which is half of 275. So you can step it, but yeah, it looks really good. It is an acoustic product, but you know, you're going to get a small acoustic reduction, but I guess you could put 2 boards together. But yeah, it's a really good solid fence. Always looks really nice. You can paint it as well. It's not going to delaminate or anything like that. So that, my friends, is Laminata. This one's actually missing the caps. The customer didn't want the caps, but there's a fancy little cap that goes on top there. Yeah, hit us up, hit subscribe if you can. It just helps. I'm trying to get to 1,000, so once I get to 1,000, it's going to be amazing. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.